In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform a t-test in Microsoft Excel. We'll work with two separate sets of numerical values that we want to compare, and our goal is to calculate a p-value that tells us whether the difference between these groups is statistically significant. I'll use the simplest built-in approach so you can follow along easily, even if you're new to Excel formulas. Start by clicking an empty cell where you want the result to appear. This will be the cell that shows the p-value. Next, click the Insert function button, often labeled with the FX icon near the formula bar. In the search box, type t-test as a single word, then click OK. Depending on your version of Excel, you might see t-test instead. It behaves the same for our purposes. A new window will open, prompting you to fill in a few inputs. For Array 1, select the first group of numbers. Use the Selector button, highlight only the data values without any header or labels, and press Enter to confirm. Repeat the same process for Array 2 by selecting the second group of numbers, again excluding any headers. Keeping headers out of the selection helps prevent errors and ensures Excel reads only numeric data. Now choose the number of tails. Enter 1 for a one-tail test if you care only about a difference in one direction. Enter 2 for a two-tailed test if you're testing for any difference, regardless of direction. In most general comparisons, including this example, a two-tailed test is the right choice, so type 2. Next, select the test type. Excel offers three options. Type 1 is a paired test used when both sets of data come from the same subjects, like before and after measurements. That does not apply here because our groups are independent. Type 2 is a two-sample test assuming equal variance, which fits when the variability in both groups is roughly similar. Type 3 is a two-sample test assuming unequal variance, used when the spread of the data differs noticeably between groups. If you're unsure which variance assumption to use, you would run an F-test separately to decide. For this demonstration, we'll assume equal variance and enter 2. You'll see the computed p-value previewed in the dialog. Click OK, and the selected cell will display the p-value for your t-test. You can also see the generated formula in the formula bar, which is helpful for auditing or reusing it. As you get comfortable, you can type the function directly into a cell without using insert function. That's all there is to running a t-test in Excel quickly and clearly.